every other review here on YouTube saying that this hair barely sheds and they just love how much this hair doesn't shed. They lying. They lied. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. So today's video is another hair review. If you don't know already, I have one other hair review on my channel already. I'll link that somewhere in here just in case you want to see it. This video is about Beauty Forever hair company. I believe it's an AliExpress hair company. It's super popular here on YouTube. I've watched tons of videos of different girls who have either been sponsored this hair or have bought this hair, and almost every single video I've watched had such rave and good reviews, and I don't know if those reviews were 100% honest because those videos were sponsored and they were biased towards the brand. I base and judge hair on 5 different stars. So that's the price point of the hair, how well does the hair take color, because normally sometimes I dye my hair jet black or I would dye my hair blonde. How much does the hair shed? Does the hair tangle? Because if the hair tangles, it's trash. And how long does the hair last for the price point that I paid for it? It's actually sitting right here behind me. If I can pull her closer because I'm gonna sit her. So Beauty Forever is, I think they have their own website as well, but they're mostly known on AliExpress. I'm trying to find my email. Bomb, here you go. Okay. Shoot. Bless me. Alrighty, so I purchased the Beauty Forever Brazilian Body Wave Lace Front Wig. It's a 13 by 6 part, so 13 and a 6-inch part, which is what I really liked about it. I like that it had a deep part. It was 150 density, or it is 150 density. I purchased a 24-inch for $229.91. So I'm watching YouTube and I'm going through these different hair companies trying to find a good hair company to purchase my hair from. So I fall upon a bunch of different videos on Beauty Forever. So I'm like, you know what, this hair looks bomb, all this looks bomb, like let me go ahead and try it. So I go purchase the hair, super excited because I'm getting ready to I had braids at the time, so I was getting ready to take them out. It's super humid here in Florida, so I didn't want to have my hair out. So I'm like, okay, you know what? Let me get a wig. Got this wig, bomb. Purchased the hair out of the packet, and I don't have like video of it, but out of the packet, the hair seemed good. It was soft. It didn't really have like a bad smell to it. It was just, your regular wig out the packet. But I go ahead, dye the hair. Cool. So I'm like, all right, let me air dry it because I know, with certain AliExpress vendors, it's not good for you to like blow dry the hair. So I allowed it to air dry. First and foremost, it took forever and a day. It literally took like 2 days for this hair to dry, which is beyond me. So like, I think the price point is good. It's pretty cheap for a 24-inch 13 by 6 part wig for $229.91. I think that's a really good price point. Again, it's more on the cheaper side, so it's not, I wasn't expecting to get the best quality hair for that price point. It's just like, okay, I know that's cheap, but that's just something I could wear real quick. I don't have to wear this every day. This is a wig I could just plop on and go, and it'll last me a few months. So price point wise, I will give this hair a 5 in regards to price point, because it's a good price point for the length, the quality of the frontal, like the lace part is really good. It's really natural when you put it on. It's really natural when you bleach the knots. So for that, the price point, I'll give this hair a 5. This hair, you're going to have hair everywhere. So if I brush this, like I have, and you can't see this on camera, but like a shit ton of hair like falls out of this. This unit comes pre-plucked, so I didn't pluck this. I didn't pluck this because I have a really full hairline, so like I don't really need to pluck a lot of hair, and then I also don't like baby hairs and all that in my wigs. Every other review here on YouTube saying that this hair barely sheds and they just love how much this hair doesn't shed, they lie. They lie to you, because this hair sheds like freaking crazy. For that, you get 1 star, Beauty Forever. You get 1 star. Tangle is an understatement. This hair doesn't tangle. This hair gets matted, okay? I don't know if they gave me plastic hair. I don't know if I got the unit that was sitting in the back of their warehouse. But when they sent me this, initially, I was like cool with the hair. I flat ironed it. I even wore it. I even wore it out, and I'll like insert something here about with me wearing the hair. But I even wore it out, and that night the hair was fine. But I'm telling you, this hair lasted me 2 days. I got 2 days of quality hair from this hair until it started literally matting up. And what I mean by matting, it doesn't get like synthetic hair matte, like, you know, like holiday heart type situation. It's not a holiday heart situation. It's like, it's stiff. There you go. It's not, it's stiff. It's stiff hair. I'm from Florida. It's hot in Florida. It gets real hot. So the humidity in the air in Florida, the fact that you probably sweating, you know, on the side of your neck or something. So you have to have really good quality hair to last out when you step outside in Florida. This, even as I'm doing this, the hair is starting to get stiff. Like, I don't even know if you could see it. You can't even see it. But I thought it was because, you know, maybe like I dyed it and I didn't rinse out the dye good enough. So I need to rinse out the dye properly and deep condition it and, you know, whatever. So I did exactly that. I rinsed the hair out again to make sure there was absolutely no residue in the hair. I deep conditioned it, let it sit in the hair for a long periodically time.
You have to sit out here and wait a long periodically time.
Washed it out, made sure there was absolutely no residue, and let it air dry once again. And I was like, okay, this is going to restore the hair. This is what, you know, because it's my fault. It's my fault that I dyed it. It's my fault that I probably didn't wash it out right. I'm not gonna fault these people for me having stiff ass hair. But the fact that I did all of that and it's still stiff means that this is very bad quality hair. For the fact that it's tangly and it's stiff, I'm giving it 1 star as well. So I paid $229.91 for this 24-inch 13x6 part wig, and I threw $229.91 in the garbage. And I also paid that because there was a cool a special or like a discount thing running on AliExpress's website for like 30% or something like that. So I paid a discounted price for this hair, and this hair lasted me 2 days. I didn't even get a full week of wearing this hair. It looks like a costume wig. It looks like I went to the Halloween store. You know those Halloween pop-up stores? I went to a Halloween pop-up store, purchased this wig because I wanted to be Cleopatra for Halloween, or Mrs. Adams. And I'm wearing this for one night. So for that, I give this 1 star as well. So every review that you've watched on this hair claiming that it's the best hair, it's so silky, it's so nice, it's so natural looking, you know, I've been wearing this for 3 months, I've been wearing this for 6 months. I'm not gonna say that all these people on here are lying about this hair. I might have just been one of the unlucky ones and just got a very bad batch of hair. If you're looking for quality hair, if you're looking for like a plop and go, you know, a wig that you can have for like 6 months, that you don't wear every day, you don't wear to sleep, you just put it on your head and go, this is not it. This hair is not it. Comment down below, let me know if you've ever tried Beauty Forever hair and you've had a bad experience with the hair as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later.